Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Zoran, and for those of you who do know me, thumb up for being loyal subscriber. Now today I'm going to show you how to make coloring book that you can sell on Amazon KDP. Now coloring books are getting more and more popular in the past few years, and especially coloring books for adults, so you should consider that. And if you stay with me to the end of the video, I will actually show you where you can find those images, how to edit those images, and how to create your coloring book that you can upload and sell on Amazon KDP. So let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to go on website called Vecteezy. Here you can download license-free vector images. Here in search bar type your keyword, your topic. For example, it is best if you stick with one topic, for example, cars, dogs, cats, or something like that. So all the images in your coloring book should be images of cars or cats or dogs. I will search for dogs, dog, and here on left side click on free license. Now you wish to find an image that is not too complicated for editing and it is not too complicated for coloring, because if it's too complicated for coloring, kids will soon lose interest. So this image, for example, it's too complicated for editing and it's too complicated for coloring. So this is actually not a good image. And you should also find images that have clear outline. And if you can find images with more drawings on one image, that is actually best, because all the images will be drawn in same style. So let me just find a good image. Go on next page. Next page. Okay, so this image is actually a good example. Just click on that image, and as you can see, it is easy for editing. It has clear outlines, so we will simply click here on download and free license. When you download this, they will actually send you zipped file, so you need to extract it on your desktop. I already did that. So next thing you need to do, you need to download and install GIMP. Now GIMP is a free software. It is basically a free Photoshop. So I already did that. I already installed GIMP. So this is how it looks. So what you need to do next is simply go on File and go on Open. And let me just find, okay, this is the image. Okay, so to edit this, we need to delete all this. We only need outlines. So simply click here on Select by Color. Click on the color that you wish to delete. And simply click Delete on your keyboard. As you can see, now click on Select None. As you can see, all that color is gone. Click again on Select by Color. Select another color that you wish to delete and click Delete again on your keyboard. Again, select color, delete. We will delete these two, this. Okay, let me just. Now select none. I will actually leave the nose because I think it looks nicer. So to save this image, simply go, and that's it. Actually, we finished editing in just a few seconds. So simply go on File and go on Export As. Now in GIMP, you need to save this image on your desktop. You need to go on Export As. We will call this dog and click on Export. Export. And that's it. Now I already found another image just to show you again how to do this. Simply go on File, Open. Let me just find that image. because most of the coloring books are actually doing by little girls, so I found image of princess and simply select by color, choose the color, press delete, select the color, press delete. Okay, select none, and as you can see we only left with outline. Now simply go on File, Export as Princess, export, and that's it. You finished. Now next thing you need to do, you need to go on website called Canva. Canva is a free website, so here you can actually see templates for YouTube thumbnail, YouTube channel art, Instagram posts, social media posters and stuff like that. We need actually custom dimensions. Click here, and we need 2000 by 2000 pixels. Click Create New Design. And we actually need to copy this page because we have two drawings. Now here on left side, click on Upload, click Upload Image, and choose image that you wish to upload. Give it a few seconds. So we will add this image here and this image here. And you can actually drag it to enlarge it. And because this is a coloring book, we should say something. Click here on left side on text and choose a style. This is a kids book, coloring book, so we should choose this. And say princess. And you can enlarge it. You can actually change the color of the text. Just click here on A. We can add red or purple, blue, or whatever color we want. Just play with these options to see all the things that you can do. Same here for the dog. Let's take some different style. Okay, let's stick with the same style. Delete this, double click to delete, double click to delete. Now click and let's say dog, enlarge, make it on the center and change the color, let's say red. And here you can actually adjust the color. Okay, so that's it. Now we are satisfied with our drawings. We need to download this as an image, as a coloring book. Simply go here on download. Now we don't want to download this as a PNG or JPEG file. We wish to download it as a PDF print. Simply click here and then click download. Give it a few seconds. Click OK, and that's it. All you have to do now is go on your Amazon KDP and upload your coloring book. So that is how you create your coloring book. In Canva.com you can also create cover for your coloring book, but I will show you that in some other video. So that is how you make a coloring book for your Amazon KDP. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye.